Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a blog page on Wix. First, log into your Wix account dashboard. From there, navigate to the Add Apps section and search for Wix Blog to integrate it into your site. Once added, you'll be prompted to select a design or layout for your blog page. Pick one that best complements your website's overall aesthetic and brand. This initial setup is quick and easy, getting you ready to share your content. Now that your blog is set up, it's time to create your first post. Head over to your site's dashboard and find the blog section, then click on Posts to open the Blog Manager. Here, you'll see a button labeled Create New Post. Click it to open the editor. Start by adding a captivating title that grabs attention, then fill the body with your engaging content. Remember to save your work as you go. To make your blog posts truly shine, enhance them with multimedia. Easily add images, videos, or even GIF to break up text and keep readers engaged. Organize your content effectively by assigning relevant categories and tags. This helps readers find what they're looking for. Don't forget to utilize Wix's built-in SEO tools to optimize your post's title, description, and keywords, improving its visibility in search engine results. Before your post goes live, take a moment to preview and review everything carefully for any errors. Once you're satisfied, you can hit publish immediately or choose to schedule your post for a specific date and time in the future. After publishing, remember to regularly check your blog manager to respond to comments and engage with your readers. This ongoing interaction helps build a vibrant and active blog community.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.